Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new vlog. Today, as you can all see, it's my birthday. So I'm here with some of my Naga friends. We're just gonna stay home in Abu Dhabi and have some Naga dinner and enjoy my birthday. So see you and keep watching. Let me show you guys the setup. Here is the drinks and later we'll put the food here. Zachi is all set. Look how beautiful she looks. And here are the starters on trays. I'll show you close up. This is a Chinese beef stir fry. This is Chinese crispy chili chips. It's so good. It's amazing. It's with peanuts. And here it's chicken feet. Some sliced orange and strawberries. And the charcuterie board with varieties of cheese and some nuts here and olives. And here is the birthday cake and the beautiful bouquet, and the decor is like this. It's just simple, just in the living room. And this is the setup outside, and this is how it looks. Some fairy lights. We'll burn some candles later. And look at my cat. She's enjoying this view. And here's the setup in the balcony. Tina, come here. Oh, your mommy's turning 27. You'll be 4 years this year. Let's go. Oh, birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Oh my god.
The song.
Oh, happy birthday! Yeah, vlog ulit pa rin siya.
Okay, before you
eat,
Okay.
make a wish and then blow. Okay, I'll blow. I forgot to blow. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! I don't want to mess the faces of this board in there. Sachihan. Only that much? You have to eat all. Oh, Bebu, And all of it. Done. Oh my god, the cake is so good.
Yeah. No, kind of already.
it's the same, no?
Okay.
Had it.
It's good. It's not that sweet. Now champagne time. Let me put it here because sometimes it can just pop up. Can be dangerous. Woo! Happy birthday! Cheers! Cheers! Happy
birthday!
Happy 27.
Happy birthday.
Let's make some Aperol spritz for my dear friends. One of my favorite cocktail with some prosecco. Oh my god! Woo! And this is Aperol. I just need 1 shot each. But first we need some ice and orange and Aperol for sure. 1 shot each. I'll just show you the first glass how I make it. And just turn it so that it mixes well. And Ruth, can you try a sip? Let me know how it is. You like it?
Good, good.
And this is summer drink, and it's almost summer, so let's drink. Flowers for my boyfriend. What a surprise. Just got a surprise gift. Dear babe, I chose these flowers not just because they are beautiful, but because they hold a special meaning to you. Just like you do in my life. Wishing you a day as wonderful as you are. Happy birthday, love. I know why he chose this flower, because this is my mom's favorite flower. Forget me not.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Show me the flower. Wait.
Don't cry, okay?
Don't cry.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is such a surprise. Means a lot.
It's okay. Don't cry.
She's crying.
Itu kan itu.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
You're taking picture or video?
Here.
I don't know.
I'm taking video. Say something. Say something to Ajan.
Oh my god, thank you so much, babe. This means a lot. You know that this flower means a lot to me, and I'm really happy that you got this for me. It really flashbacks some memories that I really treasure. Thank you so much. So awesome. I love you too.
In all the good times I find myself longing.
Dinner is ready. Here is the local chicken, Naga style, and also we have Chinese style pork made by my sister, and also some stir fry veggies with shiitake mushroom and roasted bitter gourd. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please do like, subscribe, please don't forget to comment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.